Hi guys, so I'm actually in Kurdistan. So it's really nice. Okay. And my cousins have swing. I know it's not exactly a swing, but it's good. Like it's actually not that bad. You know? Wait, what? So we're gonna swim inside the pool. Oh, it's actually burning my foot. But look, that's my cousin's car. Oh yeah, that's me. This is my other ones. And this is my house. Okay, and I'm just gonna go on this way. Yeah, but talking about the things I like. Yeah. Yeah. Salam alaikum. My cousin just came. I'm cooked. Very, very cooked.